Not only today, but into tonight, and we have fairly good but kind of cool weekend weather. Tomorrow looks very nice, just partly cloudy skies, and then Monday will be an active weather day. We won't start with much going on, but through the day we will see things rapidly change with storms moving in, maybe some heavy rain, and also much windier conditions. It will be a windy daytime and nighttime Monday into Monday night. Now, the strong front associated with this next rain system on Monday, it moves through, I think, before sunrise Tuesday. So Tuesday's looking windy still, but cool and dry. So Monday, an active weather day, and then later in the week, it looks like Friday we might get a few storms too. Right now we're at 52 though, no storms around at this point. We got rain finished with yesterday, and now we have temperatures 40s to lower 50s at this point. Little bit of a northwest wind, a bit breezy, especially at the lakefront, so you might notice that. But our temperatures this evening just dropping through the 40s south of Lake Pontchartrain. Same thing north of the lake, where Mandeville and Covington have had some King's Day parades happening as well. Overnight tonight, we're looking for colder conditions, mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Our low temperatures north of the lake, upper 30s, and south of Lake Pontchartrain, lower to middle 40s. So I don't think this is quite in the frost range, but it will be cold. Make sure your pets and your people are safe and warm tonight. So tomorrow starts chilly, and then we have a cool and pleasant day. We'll likely notice increasing clouds through the day, but not an overcast kind of look. I think it should be those higher clouds filtering in and temperatures in the upper 50s. Now, bouncing ahead to Monday, and again, pointing out our severe risk, we have the 5 categories of severe weather going up. Of course, the higher likelihood that we will see it, and we're at level 2 out of 5 for Monday. That could change a little bit, but it does look like we'll have our next system with a warm front moving in, making it unstable during the day, and then a strong system moving in from the west Monday night. High wind gusts and maybe a couple of tornadoes. Those would be the main severe threats. And then also we're going to pick up probably some decent rainfall. This is by Tuesday morning. The system will have left by then. But you can see we may have gotten anywhere from about 2 to maybe 4 inches of rain. I think most of us around 1-2 inches, and then some of us a little bit higher than that. Let me show you with precision cast. This is starting tonight, pretty quiet, comfortable weather. I mean, it will be chilly. And then tomorrow it looks cool as we stay in the 50s, but just a few of those clouds increasing. Fast forward to Monday morning, not that much happening just yet. It's still quiet. We have a few clouds, but watch how quickly this happens. This is by lunchtime Monday, starting to see some rain start to filter in. Here's that warm front moving to the north, and this is Monday afternoon, 4 p.m. There will be scattered showers and storms, but I think almost all of us should get in on the rain. And look at this, a few of these heavier pockets of rain will be there. That means some street flooding might be possible. Now, moving through the evening and night, that I think would be the main time frame, afternoon to evening, because right here we're at 10 p.m. We're almost finished with sort of a round 1 of the rain, but we will see another line of storms likely forming to our west. And then this puts us into the overnight. This is 3-4 a.m. and then fast forward to just before sunrise, maybe 5-6. This model certainly wants to bring a pretty heavy line of rain. Now, when you have a line like this, sometimes it makes it a little more stable, so you don't have as much of a chance for rotating segments, although there is certainly still a risk with a line of storms. But kind of interesting to see that models kind of have the 2 waves, including some heavy rain right before sunrise on Tuesday, and then kind of brings everything to an end. In fact, the rain might finish a little earlier in the night, Monday overnight into Tuesday, if it's able to speed up a bit like those lines sometimes do. The cold front will be through, I think, by sunrise Tuesday. We cool down, and Tuesday looks fairly windy as well. Monday, by the way, we have a wind advisory from noon until sunrise Tuesday. That's where winds 25, maybe 35 miles per hour sustained, but gusting to near 50. So even without thunderstorms around, still looks like a windy setup Monday into early Tuesday.